Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this cute look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, you guys can just continue to watch. So I'm starting off with lining my brows and filling them in with this dark brown brow pencil. Look at my face. I'm so not feeling well. I'm having a terrible headache. And this is a perfect time to let you all know that one thing that is associated with endometriosis is migraine headaches, severe migraine headaches. And I'm having one of those today. Now I'm going to outline the brows with my LA Girl concealer, and I'll be using it as an eyeshadow base also. Yeah, so as I was saying, that headaches come along with endometriosis. I mean severe migraine headaches at this point. Even my eyes hurts, my face hurts. So if you're an endo girly, just let me know in the comment section if you guys have a migraine headache issue. Okay, so now I'm going to lightly set with a little bit of this translucent powder from Black Opal because I don't want it to crease. Don't want this base to crease. Can't afford that. Then I'm going to be using this contour palette from Black Radiance. And I'm going to take the contour shade, what's left of it. And you know I have more contour shade. And for God's sakes, I won't take out the next one. Alright, in the next video, I'm going to try to remember. Yeah. So I'm going to just be putting that contour color on my lids. All over my lids, basically. Alright, so now just blend so that it's evenly diffused. Just don't get it on your brow bone, which is directly under the eyebrow arch.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea.
Alright, so know the drill. Whatever you do on one side, do it on the other. Here I'm just using a disposable eyeliner wand to create a wing. I'm actually using a pencil, an eyeliner pencil. So I just put them on the wand and create a wing because, as I said before, my head is killing me and I could not be bothered to get up to go and look for a liquid liner that I forgot to put where I was making this video. So if you don't have any liquid liner, this is a good option. So I'm applying this Fit Me foundation. I think it's in the shade Toffee or Coconut. I'm not really sure, but I will add the correct shade in the description area along with all the other products that I used to create this look. So I'm just using this paintbrush, by the way, to apply light layers on my face. As I said before in my previous video, that PCOS gives hormonal acne, and as you can see, I have a lot of acne scarring and I'm having breakouts and cystic acne under my skin. So I don't really want a lot of cakey products on my skin. So this Fit Me foundation is buildable, so I like it. So I'm just applying light layers and it makes it easier for me to blend it out with my foundation brush. Yeah, so this is a good option because the Fit Me foundation is buildable, so you can just add it where you need more coverage. For highlights, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And for contour, using the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. Don't remember which shade, but I'll put it in the description area as I said before. And yeah, make me rest on the ears now because I know no tell me some chat too much and my head really hurt me. So I'm gonna just watch the rest of the video, and what me need to talk again, I just talk, is it? give my eyes a pop of color, I'm going to be adding this beautiful green liner. It's smudge proof and waterproof. It's the same liner that I used to do the wing. As you can see, it's a double liner, black on one end, green on the other. Then smudge it out a little before it sets. Alright, so now for the best part, I'll be adding some rhinestone using my duo glue. That's the one that dries clear. It's the duo lash glue. And I'll be adding a little bling to my lids because they say diamonds are a girl best friend, but I don't got no diamonds. So y'all need to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can get this YouTube money to get me some diamonds, okay? Thank you. Next, I'm just adding my lashes and I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner and adding some peach nude matte lipstick. I'll put the exact shade in the description area. Just setting everything with my setting spray, and then I'll do something to my hair and I'll be right back. Okay everybody, so this is the final look. Hope you all like it. I think that it's very cute. And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.